Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. And today we are going to learn Surah MASAD. This surah is named as Surah Al-LAHAB as well. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. الرحمن الرحيم. There is a letter Ta. The next letter is having Shadda, so we will connect Ta with the Ba and then the ba sound with the next ta as well, because the next ta is having sukun on it. Ta will be connected with ba, tab, and ba goes to ta, but, tab, but. So here the t sound is representing the ta letter, so the t sound will be very light. Tab, but. So after here fatha alif is coming with a mad on top of it, because the next letter is coming with hamza, so we will make this dal sound longer. Yada, tabbat yada. This hamza is with simple fatha, but after kasra the letter ya is coming, which is a madda letter, so we will make ba sound longer. Abi, there is a letter ha from the bottom part of the throat, and the ba letter will be mixed up with the wow because of the idgham rule. After tanween, wow is coming, so we will do idgham with gunna. Lahabin wa. You can see there is n sound coming. Laha binwa. It will not be called binwa. Okay, we are going to merge ba with the wow sound. Binwa, and there is stop sign on it, on this ba, and this ba is having shadda as well, so we will not say tab like we simply do. Because of shadda we will stress on this ba. Tab, watab. So tabbat yada abi lahabin watab. Next, after fatha alif is coming, and you can see the mad sign is coming because the next letter is having hamza, so we will stretch this meme sound little longer, at least for 3 seconds. Ma. Then hamza sound will be connected with the gha, na, ma, na. Then ain with fatha on it, so ain with fatha, we see this type of a, and inverted comma on top of it, because there is fatha on it. For fatha you will see this type of inverted comma. Anhu. Then we make the meme sound longer because after fatha alif is coming, which is a madda letter. Ma, luhu. After dhamma wow is coming, which is a madda letter, so we make it ha sound longer. Luhu. So maluhu. This ha is from the bottom part of the throat. Wama. We will make the meme sound longer because after fatha alif is coming. Wama kasab. So echo, echo sound. Kasab. This ba is out of echo letters, so whenever we will stop on it, it will give echo sound. Wama kasab. So this ayah will be like ma aghna anhu maluhu wama kasab. Next, seen with simply fatha, so sa. Ya will be connected with sod. So you can see for sod and seen both times that simply in the transliteration the letter S is being used, but you have to read this S sound bold because it's being present in the place of sod. Sayas la lam with vertical fatha, we make it longer. Sayas la. So after tanween, the letter zal is coming, which is an ikhfa letter. We will perform ikhfa sound on this tanween, and we will make this noon sound longer because of alif madda. Naran. So this there will be ikhfa sound on this end. Naran. Then the zal sound is very soft, and we will stretch it because of alif madda. Zata lahab. Ba is out of echo letters, so there will be, when we will stop on it, there will be echo sound. Lahab. So the ha is from the bottom part of the throat. Lahab. Next, waw will be connected with meme. Wam. You can see alif is having something on top of it, and meme is having connecting signs. So you will basically connect waw with meme. So this alif will be silent. Waw goes to meme. Wamro. Ra sound will be bold because it's having fatha on it. Wamro. Hamza with fatha a. Ta with dhamma tu. Wamra'atu. Ha with dhamma, and after it waw is coming, which makes madda sound. Who. Ha from the middle part of the throat. Hamma. We make hamma. There is ta sound which will be connected to the lam. Latal. This t is representing the ta sound. It will be light. Latal. Then hatab. This t is coming on the place of ta. It will be bold. Hatab. We will make ba sound echo. Hatab. Next, make fa sound longer because of ya madda. Fi. This jim sound longer because of ya madda. Ji. Fi jidiha. So this word is jidiha. This is half from the middle part of the throat. Hab lum. Lam goes to the meme. We will do gunna sound there. Lum. So after noon with sukun, after noon, the next letter is coming meme with shadda on top of it. So this meme will go to the next meme. Qam with gunna. Mim masad. Dal sound will be echo. Mim masad. Fi jidiha hablum mim. Okay, now we are going to read the whole surah. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم تبت يدا أبي لهب وتب ما أغنى عنه ماله وما كسب سيصلى نارا ذات لهب وامرأته حمالة الحطب في جيد من مسد. That's it for today. Inshallah, I will see you in next class. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.